Oh god, she's looking a bit dirty today. I think we get her cleaned up and put her into something a bit more Christmassy. How's about that? Alright then guys, welcome back to the channel. This bike is not a new bike. This is a bike I bought back in 2014. It's the Ducati Panigale 899. So it's not the big boy, but it is big enough, I can assure you that. Now, this is the first time I've ridden this in a long time, so it's quite enjoyable to be out. Nice to get some red things out during the Christmas period, eh? But you can see this is very frosty out on the road, so I'm not going to take any chances. I'm just going to enjoy the ride. So I thought I'll give you a bit of an update as to what's going on with the channel. Obviously I've not been able to ride the Husqvarna for a while because of the shoulder injury. That is now getting a bit better. I done a test ride the other day, but I lost all my sound because the Hero 9 has a little bit of a glitch. Sussed it out. I'm using the Hero 9 now, but I'm not using the mode that I wanted to use. But hey ho, it's a good thing that I'm just out on the bike filming something. As you can see, I've changed the name of the channel from Born Again Biker to Mal vs Machine. That's because it's now more relevant to me as a person and not, as the Yorkshire police say, somebody who pretty much has a midlife crisis, goes out after a long period and buys a new bike. Now, I can hear wind, so I'm hoping you can't, but we'll see how it goes. This is awful to ride in, to be fair. I can feel it a bit skittish underneath. But we're riding the Brecon Beacons, which is nice. Yeah, today I just needed to get out. It's been so wet, obviously everybody's in a new lockdown, which is honking, and I've been looking at the weather. I've been busting to get out on the Husqvarna, but it's just not been good enough to do it, to be honest with the weather. It's been absolutely rubbish. The camera wouldn't be able to see anything because it'd just be covered in water all the time and mud and God knows what else. So I just thought I'll not risk it. I'll just do something that's a bit more practical and enjoyable. And look at those golden colours, man. Woo! That is smart, like. I've got to say, though, it's a bit weird riding on the road again because you can just feel every bump, you know. Oh God, I forgot how nice she sounds when she's singing. You can hear she's got a quick shifter as well, probably. I hope you can anyway. If not, I'll just do that again. So we give it some beans. Just so nice to have that little feature on this bike. It's also got traction control, engine braking control, all that kind of stuff. So it's a pretty trick bike considering it's now 6 years old, soon to be 7 years old, you know. It's an absolutely lovely bike. I went from an R6 to this, and like the R6, I've still got it. It's an absolutely massive bike compared to this. This is so thin, so maneuverable. I feel the wheelbase is quite short because it actually moves really quickly, but you know, that could be the like Italian heritage. They're rather sporty things, but yeah, that R6 is a completely different bike. So that's why I wanted to keep it. I thought we'll have a banger and a screamer. But it's quite funny. I don't really know what to say because just being back out on the bike is kind of something I'm really enjoying at the minute. I kind of want to enjoy taking in the moment, but I realise that I got to film something and talk to you guys about it as well. So I kind of hope to continue then making all sorts of bike videos. You know, it wasn't an intention to become a dirt bike rider and nothing else. I wanted to get this Panigale out, I wanted to get my R6 out, I wanted to do a bit of mountain bike riding and everything else, but obviously it's been a bit of a strange year for everyone, and I just wanted to push on and make videos, learn everything. There was no goal in mind for the end of the year. I just wanted to get better at what I was doing. Look at these colours, lads. Look at these colours. Oh, look at this. This is absolutely lush. And this is what riding a bike is all about. Amazing views, your own company, or your mates, your good mates who got bikes. And you just get out there and you just enjoy it. Look at it. Oh, that's kind of fun. I've got to say, like, it's bloody cold, but to see this golden light is just stunning. I hear cattle grid like, ooh, twitchy. Look at that! Oh, look at that! What a view, mate! What a view! Alright then, so let's deal with that 200 subscriber giveaway that I wanted to do. I won't be able to send it until the new year now because of what's going on. But type in the comments below Bat Belt, as in Batman's belt. Type Bat Belt in the comments below, you'll be entered into the draw. Obviously the people who are entered into my 100 subscriber draw, you are automatically entered. But if anybody else wishes to be entered, drop Bat Belt in the comments below. The only caveat is you must be a subscriber. But other than that, thank you very much for watching this video. It's been lovely, absolutely amazing getting out on this bike again. I'll do a bit more with it in the future, definitely. As I mentioned, you know, this channel is going to keep going. I'm learning loads with it and I'm really enjoying it. So I'm going to keep plugging away, hopefully be a bit better, especially with my shoulder injury getting better as well now. So there'll be less talking heads and more riding bikes. But again, thank you very much for watching, everyone. Stay safe in the festive period, look after your family, and see you in the next video. Holy shit. That's what you want now.